Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable Smart Connect on ASUS TUF Gaming AX4200. Let's begin. So, I am currently on the admin panel for my router, which is of course the Gaming AX4200. If you don't know how to access that admin panel, I would suggest you to watch my videos on first basic setup and creating new network tutorial. Anyway, after you have done that, you want to simply head into advanced settings, into wireless, and right at the top we have enable Smart Connect. We also have few different options for different modes or different networks, but I wouldn't just enable this. We can also choose if you want to go with dual band Smart Connect, which is the only option you can choose because we have two bands right now, the one that's both 2.4 and 5 gigs and 2.4/5 gigs. And on the mobile it's even simpler. First, we want to head into our ASUS Router application, then head into our router. In here, we can scroll down a little, head into details of our network, and right at the top we have Smart Connect. We can simply enable dual band Smart Connect. Let's hit OK, and then let's hit Apply. Note that this will disrupt your Wi-Fi network, but we want to continue. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.